So slow start to the week, mostly low impacting items today, but it does pick up tomorrow. We got Eurozone preliminary CPI figures. We also have manufacturing and services PMIs out of China. This is CFLP's estimate with expectations for ongoing above 50 expansionary figures for both sectors. And while there's plenty of Fed speak on Tuesday, it's really Chair Powell's testimony that's going to take center stage for both investors and traders alike. We also have CB's consumer confidence figure and API's oil inventories reading. On Wednesday, string of final manufacturing PMIs, AIG for Australia, Tengen for Japan, Caixin for China, and market for Eurozone, UK, and the US. We also have ISM for the US as well. Now, this is following last week's preliminary upside surprise that really helped take financial markets a bit higher before getting battered towards the end of the week thanks to coronavirus headlines. And there's also going to be Fed minutes and ADP's non-farm estimate, which last time around, a real contrast between both it and Friday's reading. Now, normally non-farm payrolls in the US is released on the first Friday of every month, but we've got a bank holiday in the US on Friday, and that means that it's been brought forward to Thursday. Now, it was a bit controversial last time around, showing a significant upside surprise, defying expectations. We're also going to have unemployment claims last week. Again, it's above 1 million. Again, worse than expected. And given that a lot of restrictions are being reimposed in some states in the US, well, that means that we could expect to continue to see significant figures when it comes to unemployment claims. We're also going to have trade and factory orders out of the US. And on Friday, well, services PMIs, in this case, out of market for Eurozone and the UK, and for China, out of Caixin.